Blogging can indeed be a way to earn money, though it usually requires considerable effort, patience, and a well-planned strategy. Here's a guide to turning a blog into a source of income. Choose a niche. Select a niche or topic you're passionate about and that has an audience. Whether it's travel, technology, cooking, or personal development, make sure there's demand for content in that area. Create quality content. Regularly produce informative, engaging, and well-written content, and your blog's success depends on providing value to your readers. Grow your audience. Use social media, SEO, email marketing, and networking with other bloggers to grow your readership. The more readers you have, the more attractive your blog becomes to advertisers and partners. Monetize through various channels. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services related to your blog's niche and earn a commission for every sale through your referral link, and networks like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate offer opportunities. Advertisements. Place ads on your site through networks like Google AdSense. You'll earn money based on the number of views or clicks on these ads. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands to create sponsored posts. Ensure that you follow ethical guidelines and disclose sponsored content to your readers. Sell products or services. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, courses, or consulting services related to your niche. Subscription models. Offer premium content to subscribers for a monthly fee, and this model requires high-value content that readers are willing to pay for. Analyze and adjust. Regularly review your strategies and results, and utilize tools like Google Analytics to understand what's working and make necessary adjustments. Considerations and challenges. Time and effort. Building a profitable blog takes time. It's rare to see immediate financial returns. Competition. Many niches are highly competitive, so differentiating your blog is crucial. Compliance. Be aware of legal considerations, such as taxes and disclosures for affiliate links or sponsored content. Conclusion. Blogging for money is possible but requires dedication, strategic planning, and continuous effort, and by focusing on a niche, creating quality content, engaging with your audience, and monetizing through multiple channels, you can build a blog that not only shares your passion but also contributes to your financial goals.